Want to install the Amazon Shopping app on your Android phone? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to download and install it in just a few simple steps. First, make sure your phone is connected to the internet. You can use either Wi-Fi or your mobile data. Now, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Once the Play Store opens, tap the search bar and type Amazon Shopping. From the search results, look for the official Amazon Shopping app, then tap the Install button next to it. The app will now begin downloading and installing automatically. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed, so just wait until the installation is complete. Once it's finished, the Install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the Amazon app right away. You can also find it later from your app drawer or your home screen. When you open the app for the first time, sign in with your existing Amazon account. If you don't have one yet, create an account and follow the on-screen instructions. After that, you'll be ready to shop, place orders, and track your deliveries. And that's how you can download and install the Amazon Shopping app on an Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.